Hi everyone, and welcome to Section 2, How to Design Service Resiliency. In this video, we will learn about availability zones in Microsoft Azure. Availability zones in Microsoft Azure are physical locations within each Azure regional data center that contain an independent server rack, power, cooling, and networking. Each data center contains a minimum of 3 availability zones. The purpose of the availability zone is to reduce the risk of a single point of failure and provide 99.99% VM uptime. Each zone contains a fault domain and an update domain, which ensure VMs are not updated at the same time. When you place virtual machines in an availability zone, Azure will ensure they are not put in the same server rack and update domain. Using availability zones ensure virtual machines are protected from hardware failures like a power outage in server racks, air conditioning fault, or a faulty network switches. Place a virtual machine into an availability zone demo. To place a VM in an availability zone, I create a virtual machine from the Create menu. In the Creation menu, I select Availability Zone next to the Availability option. Next, I will select the zone from the list I want the VM to be located and continue with the creation of the VM. Once the virtual machine has been created, I will check that it was placed in a zone from the Overview page. Next time I create a VM, I will select a different zone and gain high availability in case of an outage. It is important to note that Microsoft promises only virtual machines in availability zone 99.99% uptime.